Hello everybody, Ravi here with my Rite Aid Haul slash other deals for this week, for the week of August 1st to the 7th of 2021. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So I'm just going to talk about the things that are going on this week, the other deals that I've done. So the reason I went out again to do these deals is because I had that $5 bonus on Ibotta. When you purchase a select amount of items, you get the bonus. So usually you guys know that I don't do these type of deals because I think they're a waste of time and money. But listen to me. I had 18 rebates to get $5. That is one of the worst offers in the world, right? And I think it's even worse than what other people are getting. But I apparently did 13 out of the 18 rebates. Now, how can I let that go, right? So I was like, okay, Sunday night, I was like at Walgreens and I'm like, oh, I think I can put together something. I can do two rebates from Walgreens and maybe do three from Rite Aid. So I went to Walgreens and I did two rebates. I guess I'll talk about that later. But for Rite Aid, I had bonus cash to roll anyway, so I wasn't really too worried. And yeah, there was this quick things I had to run around the store, compare with Ibotta rebates, and I'm like, okay, let me just go ahead and put together something. So I had a $3 offer for the Playtex, so that's where I went first. Now it is buy one get one 50% off. So when you have $5.99 is the regular price for one of them, so the second will be $2.99. Okay? That makes it $8.98. Then you can use the printable coupons from the Playtex website. So you can, I think it's $1 off. Yeah, it was $1 off. You can use that. You'll pay $6.98. Then you'll submit to Ibotta for two $3 rebates. Like it'll be it's a $3 offer and a limit of two. So you can do that and get $6 back. And then you get $2 bonus cash back when you buy two, limit of two. Okay? So that you get, so what is that? Like 6 plus 8, that's $8 back, and you paid only $6.98. So it's a freebie right there, plus a little money maker. All right, and then I thought I wasn't gonna buy any more candy because I have too much going on this year with candy. But there is a 75 cents offer for these airheads. All right, and this is regular price at my store for $2.29. Okay, and I got it for 183 gold price. Okay, so 183, 183. I don't know. I don't know. It's like a little less than $4, right? We're just gonna count it like that. And then you get $2 in bonus cash back when you buy two. It's a limit of four, I believe. And I think this is in combination with another deal. Um, I don't remember what it was. There was another combination. There's like a bunch of different deals that started back in June and it ends in August. So just keep aware of your limits and stuff like that because it started a few months ago. And sorry, a few weeks ago. All right, and then that's what, $2 right there, and then you get back $1.50, so 75 cents for each one. So then it'll make it 50 cents for both them, a little less than 50 cents for both them. Um, yeah. So it's a great thing to have anyway. Like you're rolling the bonus cash anyway, and you're also cashing out at the same time, which is amazing. All right, so that's what I did. Easy deal there. Few cents is a few cents. I'm gonna get back $5 rebate anyway, and then I probably won't do their offers because they're gonna give me a big offer for less money, which I don't want to do. Right? You don't want to give them any incentive. All right, and then we have this essential oil blend. So it is from Nature's Truth. It's the aromatherapy. You guys know that there is an Ibotta rebate for, excuse me, for this, where you get $1 back where you buy one. All right, so this Nature's Truth, there's another two Nature's Truth that are also on clearance. So this is a clearance item. Now I'm gonna move on to the other picture that I took in the store. So let me go there. So here you go. There's Nature's Truth here. Some of them are tagged for 50% off. Now, when I went to the register, it came down to 174 on clearance. So it is actually 75% off. So that's amazing. We have a dollar load to car coupon that I use for this item. All right, so I paid 74 cents and I should get back $1 from Ibotta. I still haven't gotten it. They shorted me one rebate, which now threw off my weekend whiteboard bonus, which I'm not very happy about because I now wasted money. So I was a little bit angry and I gave them a 1 star from the feedback in the app. And I'm just sending them the picture of this item as well as the barcode because it did scan. I scanned it to make sure it works. And, you know, things happen, I guess. And I wasn't very happy because, I wasted time to get these items. And, it doesn't work, that this is like money, this is money that I'm spending. So what I'm gonna hopefully get is the dollar and also the $5 rebate for the weekend whiteboard bonus. And I think I had 13. It's like from the cat food deal, from that boron acidyl deal, the helm calm, all those other different items that I bought last week. So I had a bunch of tracking for that same reason. Okay, moving on. So yeah, I talked about this. Definitely check your aisle. Um, I think there was some Art Natural here. It says sleep roll on, and that's gonna be for 74 cents if I'm correct with the 75% off price. And I think there was a $2 coupon when you buy two load to card, but that means you will have to buy, unfortunately, three in order for the load to card to come off, since if your item is less than the load to card value, it won't come off. And I've mentioned this at least multiple times about this. Um, Speaking of Nature's Truth in general, I am a bit baffled by why people are asking what coupon I used for the Nature's Truth lip balm. There was a lot of questions. Actually, this is like a lot more than I anticipated. I mean, this deal has been going on for 2 years now, so I don't get it, but it's the $2 vitamin and supplement coupon. That's the only one. You obviously can't use a gummy coupon. It's just a little bit more of a common sense thing. But it's a vitamin or a supplement, and it says vitamin E. It's a vitamin. Nature's Truth is the brand. I know it doesn't say it on the lip balm specifically, but it is Nature's Truth because it's in that section, in the vitamin section of the store. Okay, now that I'm done with that spiel, let's move on to the next one. So this is the Playtex that I was talking about right there. You guys can see buy one get 50% off, $2 bonus cashback when you buy two. Okay, so there's that, and you can print the coupons from the Playtex website for $1 off. Next, I want to talk about the Pure Zero. So this is a rollable deal. I mean, this is not free, so I'm not purchasing it, but I know that people are into the clean products now. They don't want to use chemicals. So if you're really interested in this, you guys can take advantage. So it is $6.99 regularly for these shampoos here. So if you have gold discount, it'll make it $5.59. Okay? And that will be what, $17.97 for three of them, and you get back $10 when you purchase three of them. So it makes it $7.97 for three of them. Now, I don't see any coupons for these items, so I don't know. But you can combine this with the buy 40 get 10 off. You can whatever like coupons, like purchase based coupons you have, maybe a 5 off a 20 or something like that, and just add a few dollars worth of items in order to, use those coupons. And I mean, there's a bunch of deals that you can do this week. I mean, we're talking about so many already in the beginning of this video. So you can do this if you want to. Another honorable mention is this. So we have the Futuro and Ace products here. Okay. So it is buy 25 and get $8 in bonus cash back. And if you're not aware, there is a monthly deal on certain one of these items here where you get $5 in bonus cash back when you buy one. Okay, I believe the limit is four, but just double check the tags. Like certain items could be two or something like that, right? Now, I don't know from which ones these ones are gonna count. I have the tags on my phone, so I think it's only these items here. Now I have to go back and double check my phone archives for these photos, but there is certain ones that are tagged for $5 bonus cash back. When I went on the Ace Futuro website, there was a coupon for these items, but as soon as I went to print it, it came up with an error. So I don't know what the problem is. Um, I have one theory that because of Smart Source, they actually went offline. If you guys didn't know, Smart Source printable coupons are no longer available. So unfortunately, it's the end of the era for these Smart Source printable coupons. I know many people did not go on the website, but I used to go on there like years ago and I used to print so many coupons. And Smart Source was like, I remember those Tic Tac coupons we printed buy one, get one free. So that was one. We had a bunch of different deals that we did with Smart Source coupons, and I'm very sad to see it go because it was part of my couponing journey as well. But I'm gonna try again on a different computer. Maybe I'll get some luck. But there is an offer for $5. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to contact the company. We'll see. If you guys know about anything like that, also leave them in the comments below. I would love to know your deals and feedback and other suggestions and stuff. Okay. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. Actually, that's it. Yep. So I hope you guys found this video very helpful. I hope I get my money. I'm banking on. Um, yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone.